Ever wondered how people are able to earn thousands of dollars every month without actively working for it? The secret lies in passive income, a powerful financial strategy that allows you to make money while you sleep. But how do you start generating passive income, especially as a beginner? In today's video, we'll dive into actionable, beginner-friendly passive income ideas that can help you reach that coveted $5,000 per month. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, pay off debt, or achieve financial freedom, these ideas will set you on the right path. Stay tuned until the end, because the insights you'll gain could be life-changing. Start with dividend-paying stocks. Dividend-paying stocks are a classic way to generate passive income. By investing in companies that regularly pay dividends, you can earn a steady stream of income without having to sell your shares. As a beginner, consider starting with well-established companies that have a history of paying reliable dividends. The key is to reinvest those dividends to take advantage of compounding interest, which can significantly grow your investment over time. Why this works for beginners. Low barrier to entry with platforms like Robinhood or Vanguard. You don't need a large amount of capital to start. Dividends can provide a consistent income stream as your portfolio grows. Example: if you invest $10,000 in a stock with a 5% annual dividend yield, you'll earn $500 a year. Reinvest those dividends and your income will continue to grow without additional effort. Real estate crowdfunding. Investing in real estate can be a daunting task, especially if you're just starting out. But with real estate crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul, you can invest in real estate projects with as little as $500. These platforms pool money from multiple investors to fund large real estate projects, which means you can earn a share of the rental income and property appreciation without the hassles of being a landlord. Why this works for beginners. Lower initial investment compared to buying property outright. Diversified portfolio across different real estate projects. Passive income through rental distributions and property value increases. Example: if you invest $1,000 in a crowdfunding project that returns 8% annually, you could earn $80 per year in passive income, plus any potential appreciation in property value. Create and sell an online course. Are you knowledgeable about a particular subject or skill? Creating an online course can be an excellent way to generate passive income. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare make it easy to upload your course and start earning money. The best part? Once your course is created, it can generate income for years with minimal ongoing effort. Why this works for beginners. Utilize your existing knowledge or skills. Low upfront costs, just your time and expertise. Potential to reach a global audience and scale your income. Example: if you create a course that sells for $100 and attract just 50 students, you'll make $5,000. With ongoing promotion and positive reviews, your course can continue to sell month after month. Start a YouTube channel. YouTube isn't just for entertainment, it's a powerful platform for generating passive income. By creating content that resonates with your target audience, you can earn money through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even merchandise sales. The key to success on YouTube is consistency and providing value to your viewers. Once your channel gains traction, the income can grow exponentially. Why this works for beginners? It's free to start with just a camera and internet connection. There are multiple monetization options. Evergreen content can generate views and income long after it's published. For example, if your channel attracts 50,000 views a month and you earn $2 per 1,000 views, you'll make $100 monthly just from ads. Add in affiliate marketing and sponsorships, and you can quickly reach that $5,000 goal. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. It's a low-risk way to earn passive income, as you don't need to create a product or handle customer service. By building a blog, website, or social media presence, you can promote products you genuinely believe in and earn money whenever someone makes a purchase through your link. Why this works for beginners. There's no need for product creation or inventory. It has low upfront costs, just your time and marketing efforts. It can be scaled with more content and traffic. For example, if you earn an average commission of $50 per sale and make 100 sales a month, you'll reach $5,000 in passive income. Choosing high-ticket items or recurring commissions can accelerate your earnings. Invest in high-yield savings accounts or CDs. For those who prefer a more conservative approach, investing in high-yield savings accounts or certificates of deposit, also known as CDs, can provide a steady, albeit lower stream of passive income. These accounts typically offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts, making them a safer option for generating income with minimal risk. Why this works for beginners? It's a safe and secure investment option. There's no need for extensive financial knowledge. It's ideal for building a cash cushion while earning interest. For example, if you have $50,000 in a high-yield savings account with a 2% annual interest rate, you'll earn $1,000 a year in passive income. While it's not as high as other methods, it's a stable and low-risk option. Create and sell digital products. Digital products like ebooks, printables, templates, and software can be a great source of passive income. Once created, these products can be sold repeatedly with no inventory or shipping costs. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website make it easy to list and sell digital products. Why this works for beginners? Low upfront costs and no physical inventory. Infinite scalability. One product can be sold to an unlimited number of customers. Flexibility to create products in any niche. For example, if you create a printable planner and sell it for $10 on Etsy, selling 500 copies a month will earn you $5,000. With the right marketing strategy, digital products can become a significant income stream. Do you have a car, camera, or even a spare room that you don't use all the time? Renting out your assets can be an easy way to earn passive income. Platforms like Turo for cars, Airbnb for rooms, and Fat Llama for other items make it simple to connect with people looking to rent. Why this works for beginners? Utilize assets you already own. Flexible. Rent out items when you're not using them. Low effort once the initial setup is complete. Example, if you rent out your car on Turo for $50 a day, and it's rented out 20 days a month, you'll earn $1,000. Combine this with other assets, and you can quickly reach your $5,000 goal. Peer-to-peer lending platforms like Lending Club or Prosper allow you to lend money directly to individuals in exchange for interest payments. As a beginner, you can start with a small investment and gradually build your portfolio. While there's some risk involved, the potential returns can be significantly higher than traditional savings accounts. Why this works for beginners? Low initial investment required. Potential for high returns compared to traditional savings. Diversified risk by lending to multiple borrowers. Example, if you invest $5,000 in peer-to-peer lending with an average return of 10%, you could earn $500 annually. With a diversified portfolio and compounding returns, your income can grow significantly over time. Dropshipping is an e-commerce model where you sell products without holding any inventory. When a customer makes a purchase, the order is fulfilled by a third-party supplier who ships the product directly to the customer. This allows you to run a business with minimal upfront costs and without the need to manage physical products. Why this works for beginners? Low upfront costs, no need to buy inventory. Flexibility to run the business from anywhere. Scalable with the right marketing and product selection. Example, if you make a profit of $25 per product and sell 200 products a month, you'll reach $5,000 in passive income. With effective marketing and the right niche, dropshipping can be a highly profitable venture. Earning $5,000 a month in passive income may seem like a lofty goal, but with the right strategies and consistent effort, it's entirely achievable, even for beginners. The key is to start small, diversify your income streams, and stay committed to your goals. Whether you choose to invest in stocks, real estate, or build an online business, the potential to create financial freedom is within your reach. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on building wealth and achieving financial independence. Thanks for watching, and here's to your journey toward $5,000 a month.